Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forward from Kingmixup, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that, but you don't know what the thing said, people. Bless up on yourself, but you know my style already. One bag of one in a one, and I gotta give you this daily updates on the people you see on the screen. You know what I mean? But now I gotta lie, people, we get the footage of the fights, or what went down with Tanney, you see me I say, and we have more information on the motive, yes, from the perpetrator. You feel me? As well as Shenseea feeling a way that Jamaicans ain't showing no love like the Americans. You know what I mean? And all Nicki Minaj and all of these stuff. People just like and share from now. Let's get straight into it.
Yo, and next thing is some man, bro. When you deal with some girl on this side, some girl just tell man who you deal with them, you know. And then you have men watching it crazy and bodies like.
Let me roll and smoke my spliff.
Cause
smoke my spliff and mind my business.
exactly. Drink water and
Hello.
It's up. It's up.
It's up.
It's up. It's up.
Nah, it already been up. She going back inside.
Kenny, that's her.
It's up. Kelly.
What?
Move. Candy, move. Yo, move.
Tanney, don't even worry. Fuck these cops.
Oh, she about to shoot. Yo. She bodied her. Open the door.
Okay, people, that video was sent to me by an anonymous person. You feel what I'm saying? So it really looked like the thing went down outside of the venue. And, you know, they might have brought her back inside of the venue. As you can see, the police is trying to do CPR on her. You feel what I'm saying? Yes, but we've gotten more information on the killer. But before we get into that, people, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a sad situation for the dancehall community. Yes, mother and daughter both passed away. You know, only a few months ago, Tanney buried her mother. You feel what I'm saying? So this is definitely a big blow for the family as well. You see me? I said condolences. You know what I mean? You know, I said Frenchie Elaine was, you know, a veteran in this dancehall thing. You see me? I said, and like a daughter was following her footsteps, her being a good dancer, promoter, and all of this stuff. You see me, I say, and now, why, people, it's a shame it went down like this, you know, but we find out that the killer had a hatred. Yes, it's all over Facebook. You know, this is just a few screenshots of some of the things that she said. You know what I mean? About kill all the whole up top family and the East Siders and be a bagger, you see me. But I won't put out her picture yet because she hasn't been named a suspect. But as you can see, everybody know who she is. You see me, I just wait for police to officially name her so we can put the picture them and them stuff they're out there, you know. But just give me that update while I'm going from one to go on. The footage was sent to me. It shows to seem like those are the last moments of Tanney's life. You see me, I see me, people. Yeah, let's proceed. Okay, people, got a little update on international pop star queen Shenseea. Yes, dancehall international pop star queen Shenseea. First of all, congratulations for making Jamaican history by being the first Jamaican nominated in the Push Performance of the Year. You know what I mean? Even though 1% of her fan base, the Shenyans, voted, she lost to, you know, the South Korean boy band 17. It was still a good look, isn't me? I say, and she said this. From being nominated, from being a viewer to a nominee at Marc Jacobs and things at VMAs, you see me? I say, so in life, you can't cry about spilled milk. You feel what I'm saying? You just gotta get up and get out and get something more. You see me, I say, I fill the cup up more, get a bigger cup, you see me? And she's taking the positive road, saying that she is ecstatic to be nominated, you know what I mean? But fast forward to the disrespect by her own Jamaican people. Yes, people, Shenseea said she gets more respect from foreigners than her own after Observer headline saying dancehall star Shenseea missed out on her first MTV Music Award on Sunday when she was beaten by South Korean boy band 17 for the Push Performance of the Year. And she said, I get more love from foreigners than my own place of birth. And everyone can see that cause, how about thank you for repping Jamaica and putting in the work to even get nominated after so long. Honestly, people, the Observer didn't do nothing wrong. But I seen the shade that they tried to do towards Shenseea. You know what I mean? Like, we see the disrespect in the, how should I say this? With the tone that it was written in. You know what I mean? That's some styling thing like, say, they want to spice it up a little bit. You see me? I say, you know what I mean? Because, boy, oh boy, but they didn't do nothing wrong. They definitely spiced it up a little bit. You see me? I say, you know, them try to make it little clickbaity, little, you know the things, you know what I mean? But this is all after Nicki Minaj collected some awards yesterday. You see me? I say, and in her, victory speech, her award speech, she bigged up the king of the dancehall. Yes, the girl them sugar. BEENIE Man, who makes love to her. And she also big up Skeng. You know what I mean? And Nicki always receives mad love from Jamaica, who has given her citizenship for always repping the island. And to be fair, people, Nicki has a long history with Jamaicans. As you can see, she's in the picture with Sprague Benz, Foxy Brown, and BEENIE Man. She and BEENIE Man have a track together. I think it's on the Pink rhythm or some. I forget the rhythm, but they do have a song together, you know what I mean? And she's been with Safari for like 12 years, so, you know what I mean? Nicki, I went away. You see me, I say, and at the same time, she big up Skeng. You feel what I'm saying? Because she put Skeng on her album, which is definitely a good look for Skeng. Nicki ratings go up a little bit, and Skeng get exposed to the world. People can look up him now and things the Barbs can follow him. I'm not gonna lie to you. The song with she and Skeng, it's shot. You feel what I'm saying? I think it's more of a hit than Skilly Bang song. Let me not say that because both these songs are hits. That Nicki Minaj remix, but that's like giving an update what going on from what I'm going with Shenseea saying that she now get the love that she's supposed to get. You know what I mean? Ah boy, but then people are gonna put in the comment section, the shade room always beat her. You see me, I say. And now, Lyrical Tyrical is, I think that's his name, is offering $500 for the return of his, his music, his bag with his papers and all of these stuff. You see me, I say. And now, at the same time, he's praising Bounty Killer for, turning enough youths into millionaires and not wanting a dollar. You see me, I say in return. You see me, and Bounty Killer said the same thing too. You can ask any of them if him ever asked them for a thing. You know what I mean? But yeah, like I said, he lost his bag and he's offering some money. So if you're in need of some money, see a lot of work for one of you.
Yeah man, it's a blessing, People, I wake up with a joy. Collect a check this morning after one of my songs. See ya? Ask ya. Just collect a check after one of my songs I'm write for Bounty Killer. Thumbs up Bounty Killer. Real general. Yeah, your Vibes Cartel say Bounty Killer make me rich. Bounty Killer make me have pound account. Bounty Killer make me have US account, and me I thought this a long time. Me I give me credit. Me I give me flowers. See? Me write my song and the man give me my credit and me I collect today. Me still a collect my check. And I like some ungrateful boy who me help from nothing at all. Me don't know Killer them as no from Killer them as suffer. Me know Killer them as a superstar general. And me know some man from them as suffer and me help them. Write song, drive them, go vice it at the studio. And when time come for me get my credit, them deny me. Me could have rich, I don't want me rich now if them just share the wealth. Right? So me I say thumbs up to Bounty Killer, brother. Help enough get to youth and put food on them table. Zane, typical hard working youth and me never stop work and me I put in some crazy work more than ever now. Zane, so to the youth them will take me bag out of my car. Uptown Monday me I offer a reward 500 US to anybody will return my bag because me need my videos them. Me need my unreleased song them. And now me I see how much money me lose and see how valuable my bag is. My house key in my bag. And next car key in the bag. And next check like this in the bag. And I know so you can't change it, you can't do nothing with it. So I ask the man who take the bag out of my car, I ask you, please return it. See, I have a reward for you. Know what I mean? Yes, so money have to make. Money for make. Murder. People. I got you a little incident. Monday night. We're Uptown Monday. Park my vehicle. Never like how it park. Go back in the vehicle. Roll down my window because the glass them dark and I don't want to leak no object. So while I park, never remember to wind up back on my window. Some unscrupulous person thief my bag out of my car. So I talk to all of the vloggers them or bloggers them or whatever. At this moment to no blog. Because I hear I do and governor Bono. You have good vloggers and bad vloggers. So I want to show no goodness now. Show no power. And make the man know we take the bag out of theoretical car. Say him to bring it forward because I have a lot of songs that is unreleased. I have a lot of songs just like the bad one where I got drop Friday, the 2nd of September. Right? Me have songs where I spend much millions and me have videos where I shoot with much girl wind up. Until I feel like it I go against my Rasta faith. Me no bother release them. I want to release them now because I want come out of the closet. I want to make the people them know who me is and how me really stay for true. Me not hide no more. You understand me? So, vloggers or bloggers, me a go now work for do no more. I want back my bag. Tell the man with thief theoretical bag of Uptown Monday. Monday gone. Say me want my bag. I want to release my video them. I'm ready for the world now. I want to show the world. Say me are one of the baddest or if not the baddest thing right now. But I prove it now, man. See? So me ask the vloggers them or bloggers, please, at this moment to run with. You understand me? At this moment to run because guess what, I want back my video them. You understand what I say? The man them take my bag out of my car and gone. And it hurt me right now. I broke down because I text the man them would have realized my bag already and bring it back. But unfortunately, the man them what I do with my song them and my video them. Zin, I want to give the people them the music. So I ask you. Bloggers at this moment to run with. Run with some good news too. You understand what I say? Yeah. Some just want to know say boy. The thief them a thief theoretical bag for bring it back, bro. Holy Emmanuel I still see. Because you don't know so we in the street like white line in the man. You understand me? I say all of my songs them when I do for all of my lifetime them in the bag. You know what I mean? It hurt me right now. So run with that now.
Okay, people, Donna's mother is apologizing that she is not dead. Yes, because it seems like vloggers are going around saying that she's soon out of breath. You see me, I say, and now she's apologizing for what she said 2 days ago. So let's take a look. She said, "Blessed to y'all, I'm here lying in this hospital bed trying to be strong so I can get well and go home to my children. But the truth be told, I am hurting so bad deep down in my stomach. I am so weak. Why can't I wake up from this horrible dream? My baby girl last word was to me, my love, I soon come home to be your friend. Almost 2 months now, Donna, where are you, my love? I am in the hospital waiting for you to come home and take me home. God, please have mercy and send my daughter back to me. I can't go on no longer without you, Donna. My breath is leaving my helpless body." So I guess that's why them said the woman not dead, you know what I mean? But she said this Sunday, a beautiful Sunday to y'all, my people. I get to understand that news going around that I am on my deathbed. I may feel at times so helpless and sometimes like my breath is leaving my body, but by the grace of God, I will get through this. it is natural for me to feel this way because my daughter, my best friend, my love, has been taken away from me almost 2 months now, and it is very hard on me lying in this hospital trying to be strong. So please forgive me if I let y'all feel that way about me. I am on deathbed. You see me? I say I will be out of this hospital soon by the grace of God. Continue to pray for me and my family. I need the strength to pull through this horrible time. No justice, no peace. And with that said, people, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.